So as we wait for it to connect.
Information trade is a booming business out there, but Africa is generally lagging behind when it comes to this business. Escrow Research and Analytics have therefore developed a homegrown solution that surpasses what is available in the market and yet very competitively priced. ERAFINANCIALS.com, a web-based data and analytics platform that provides the users over 10 years historical data of all listed companies in the Nairobi Securities Exchange.
Business performs in what are called cycles, and these cycles are caused by other causative factors, and from those 5 cycles you can be able to determine what is likely to happen in the future. So we thought there was a lack of one platform that has all that information that enables all the stakeholders to be able to analyze what has happened in the past and also predict what will happen in the future. So we felt challenged as Escrow Research and Analytics to attempt to put together all that information and make it available to all the stakeholders.
ERAFINANCIALS has collected, captured and analyzed pieces of information covering a wide spectrum of capital and financial markets and the country's economic performances over the past decade, having invested over 20 million Kenya shillings on the project. It can be accessed as a subscription service, although a significant amount of information is available at no charge.
The user who wants only a limited amount of information, they don't have to pay a big subscription fee. They just pay the amount that equates to just the item that they need at about $5 for up to 10 items. So you can query the system and say, what was the net profit for Barclays in 2001? You can query that and pick it up. And then if you want full access to the 94,000 pieces of information, the subscription is $500 for the year.
Coleta Fumaneyi, the Chief Executive Officer of Escrow Research and Analytics, said they had to wade through rough times when working on the project.
Information is scattered all over, so it was a very painstaking experience. And basically any source that we could think of, we had to cover that, which is why it actually took close to 18 months to be able to do that.
The new platform also contains macroeconomic information for the last decade in employment, interest rates, taxation rates, money supply and inflation, among others. In other business news, the private sector is expected to increase Kenya's electricity generation capacity by 285 megawatts so as to spur economic growth and competitiveness. Towards that end, the World Bank, together with Government of Kenya, Kenya Power and Citibank, have signed an agreement to fund Thika Project that will see 87 megawatts of electricity produced in the first phase. Speaking during the signing ceremony in Nairobi, Ministry of Finance Permanent Secretary Joseph Kinyua said that although the government continues to invest in power sector to meet power needs, demand still remains high.
So the Kenya government has been trying to move forward to partner not just in terms of our own parastatal engine to produce power, but also to participate, to encourage the private sector to also participate and help in power generation.
Thika Power is the first of 4 independent power producers that will benefit from a series of partial risk guarantees amounting to about $166 million from the World Bank's International Development Association, which is the concessional arm of the World Bank Group.
The project will enable Kenya Power to mobilize long-term commercial financing to purchase electricity from the independent power producers. Violet Makendo, GBS News.